Oh, that's not good. Oh, hi everyone. I'm just watching the news and something scary is happening. But don't worry, we're all safe and we can learn our ABCs. Yeah! Okay, so what did me and you do in the last one? That's right, we did you. This time's for me. No, I'm just kidding. Me is not a letter. What's after you? Oh yeah, it's the letter V. V. We can easily make a V with our fingers. Look, V. So, if we go V, what begins with the... I know what begins with the letter V. It's that thing I was watching in the news. See, well, why I was watching the news is Gazzi lives in Spain. And the biggest volcano in Spain is called Teide. And Teide is about to go. That's why I was scared. V is for volcano. Can you say volcano with me? Volcano. Good job. So, let's go. V. What shape is a volcano? It's like an upside down V. So we're going to do it like this. V, because then I go all the way down here. Volcano. Volcano. I know you know that one. So let's go. V. Volcano. Volcano. When I was watching the news, what was the volcano going to do? Yeah, it's scary times. It was going to go, which in English is called erupt. So it was going to erupt. What word do we know for this? What's this? Time. Alright? Time to erupt. Yeah, okay. So go V. Volcano. Time to erupt. Alright, we're going to jump really high and spread our arms out. Because that's what volcanoes do. They erupt. Are you ready? Let's do it slowly. V. Volcano. Time to erupt. Good job. Okay, let's do it all together. Are you ready? Are you on time? Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. V. Volcano. Time to erupt. Awesome work, guys. I hope no volcanoes erupt near you. But if they do, remember to watch Gazzi's ABCs. Bye!